Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Just mapping the head in and getting that big ruff around the head. The mane. Just make sure the ears are in the right places. And I love how Kitty's kind of looking back over the back end. Just make sure those eyes are in there lightly, in the right spot before adding some dark lines. Just looking for the general shape of things here, the gesture. And then we'll start to add some darker lines. And when I look at that little smirk on the photo, now I'm thinking I got the mouth a little bit too ordinary. I could have, made that kind of sideways sort of grin. You learn something with each one. That's why it's so important to do lots of practice. That's how you get where you want to go. That sweet face is the most important thing here. The ears can kind of fade away at the top. Just tweak it until it looks right and then start darkening up some lines, the ones that are important. Please drop me a comment. I absolutely love to hear from you. Help us build our community of crazy cat artists. You can tell us about your cat or where you live in the world or whatever, or what you want to learn about cat drawing. I love to get ideas from viewers. I had to heighten that head a little to make it look right. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.